Zoom gets you all the latest Bollywood news. Zoom keeps you up to date with all the Bollywood buzz. And when it comes to anything related to Bollywood, Zoom is a step ahead to grab the opportunity. Well, yes, Zoom, India's #1 Bollywood channel, introduced a special award called The Best Use of a Bollywood Celebrity in Media in the 12th edition of the Envies, India's most prestigious and coveted media awards, organized by the Advertising Club Bombay. और इस special event पर present थे Bollywood rockstar, the ever-stunning Arjun Rampal and Avinash Kaul, CEO Zoom, Times Now and ET Now. They presented the inaugural award trophy to the winners. अब जहां अर्जुन हो, वहां उनके fans का excitement देखने को जरूर मिलेगा. And this event was no different. Take a look. For this special category, the Envies Gold was presented to Team Maxis and Team Pinnacle Madison took home the silver. Well, Arjun ने यहाँ exclusively Zoom से बात की on brand Arjun and also his point of view about a celeb's association with a brand.
What do you think about this Zoom's initiative?
I think it's a wonderful initiative. I mean, today we are really forced to see a lot of advertising because every program, everything, every brand wants to get out there. And so there's a lot of work that goes behind that. And if they bring us on television and to the audience, even entertainment through their ads, and educate people about their brands in an entertaining manner, then they deserve an award function because a lot of work goes into that.
Arjun, do you think these days actors have moved beyond movies and they have become a brand themselves?
People make them brands. I think images that it's perception that makes somebody that kind of a brand. But yeah, otherwise everything moves towards a brand and people are very brand inclined. But I don't know, you can't call an actor really a brand. I would not like to be a brand.
That's, I think, pretty modest of you because, today with the music properties and the pubs the restaurants that you own, you have become a brand in yourself, but we don't see you endorsing.
I create brands. I don't want to be a brand myself. I think anything that you create, you should create from your heart. And, where that goes, what it does, and if it becomes a brand, it becomes a brand. If it doesn't, you still got to strive to make it good. And I think you try to do that.
Now that the initiative was a unique one, we caught up with the man himself, Mr. Avinash Kaul, CEO Zoom, Times Now and ET Now, to know more about this association.
Well, this initiative has taken a long time in coming, as Zoom celebrates its 8th anniversary within a few days from now. I think it was high time that we did recognize the kind of influence that Bollywood stars had on the entire population of India, whether it's the youth of India, whether it's the brand consumptions or whatever people bought. So brands have forever used Bollywood celebrities as endorsers. So we just thought it was appropriate that Zoom, which is home to Bollywood, takes up that cause and brings it to the forefront in instituting a separate award within the Envies, which is among the leading awards in India, among the #1 awards for media in India, and institute a separate category for Bollywood.
Well, the initiative surely sounds very encouraging for all the agencies in the industry, and we hope that Zoom ke is initiative se mile in sabko a perfect inspiration. For Kirti Tarang, Zoom, Mumbai.
Hi, this is Supreet. Follow Zoom TV on Twitter and get Bollywood news and happenings 24/7. Just visit www.twitter.com/ZoomTV.